Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's word is an intriguing one, and it's perfect for those moments when mystery is in the air. The word of the day is anonymous, an adjective that means without a name or identity. Let's dive into what makes this word so fascinating. When we say something is anonymous, it means that the person behind it has chosen not to reveal their name or identity. This could apply to a lot of things like an anonymous letter, an anonymous donor, or even an anonymous comment on a website. It's a word that speaks to secrecy, privacy, and sometimes even mystery. Some great synonyms for anonymous include nameless, unidentified, and unknown. For example, you might say, the charity received a generous donation from a nameless benefactor. Or, the painting was attributed to an unidentified artist. Another example could be, the unknown author of the poem remains a topic of discussion. On the flip side, antonyms for anonymous are words like famous, renowned, and identified. For instance, the famous artist's signature was found in the corner of the painting. Or, the renowned author of the novel signed copies at the bookstore. Another example might be, the identified culprit confessed to the crime. In everyday life, you'll find anonymous used in all sorts of situations. Maybe you filled out an anonymous survey, or perhaps you've read about an anonymous hero who saved the day without taking credit. You might hear someone say, I got an anonymous tip about the event, or she prefers to stay anonymous in her charitable efforts. Here are some sentences to help you get even more comfortable with the word. The letter was signed simply your friend, keeping the sender anonymous. An anonymous donor gave $1 million to the hospital. The feedback was collected through an anonymous survey to encourage honesty. So, to wrap up, today we explored the word anonymous, its meaning, some useful synonyms like nameless and unknown, and its contrasting antonyms like famous and renowned. It's a great word to use when talking about privacy, mystery, or keeping things confidential. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using anonymous and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, I'm Alex, and this was Hello Word. Keep learning and stay curious.